BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here with a very quick video. I'm still in the process of setting up my room for my YouTube, so it still looks a little crazy right now, but as you can see I got a little backdrop, and in the last video y'all saw that I took all the wrinkles out. So yeah, we are using it today in this video, but I still don't have it the way I want it set up yet because my light switches, so not my light switches, my outlets. So in this house, it is an older house, so none of the previous owners had changed the 2-plug outlet. They only changed like a few of them. It's just a big inconvenience for me. So this video we are going to be changing out these outlets and changing them from this 2-plug here outlet to this standard 3-plug outlet here. And this is not like, I'm not an electrician or anything like that, so you can follow this at your own risk, but I'm not gonna get you like electrocuted, okay, period, because I don't want to get electrocuted. So I did enough research that I feel pretty confident in making a video. So if you're interested, just keep watching. What you're gonna need to do is go to like your local home improvement store, either like Lowe's, Home Depot. I like Home Depot, so this is where I got them at, but you can literally get them at Lowe's as well, or Walmart. But yeah, it's gonna be this 3-prong. This is not the GFC, so like the one where you like can press it and reset it and stuff. This is not that type of plug. Those plugs are more expensive. I think they're like $2 a plug, so you're not gonna want to do that to like every single plug. So if you do have nothing but 2-prong plug, you might want to get most of them like this and get certain plugs, the more upgraded one, if you wanted to. But I did get this. So you can buy these separately for like 89 cents. So if you're just having to change like a couple outlets, you can just get like a couple of them. Or if you're having to change like your whole house, I recommend you getting this, because I think this was like $4 and something, and you can see it comes with 10, so it's a lot cheaper. So if I was buying 10 individual, I'll be spending $10, but since I'm getting them in a pack, I literally spend like about $5 for, so half the cost. So save you that coin, okay? This is a outlet tester, or a voltage tester. I'm not sure what the real term is, but this is what is going to help you not get electrocuted. Okay, so we're going to test the outlets before we even start touching them. Okay, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver right here. You're going to need a Phillips, which you don't have to have a drill, but I do have a drill. So yeah. Okay, and then depending on if it's daylight, depending on if it's daylight or if it's nighttime, you might want to get yourself a battery powered light. Okay guys, so as you can see, we got our 2-prong outlet here, and all of my house is 2-prong besides like a few outlets. So we are going to be changing these, but before we even start doing it, you're going to want to test your outlet to make sure that it's not powered, which I know this is powered. I think I bought this for like maybe $2 or something like that. You can get more expensive ones, but this does the trick. It lights up if there's voltage, it won't light up if there's not. So I know this is on because I haven't even touched my breaker box, but I'm gonna just show you kind of what I look at. So I'm pretty sure there's like, you're supposed to put this in one side, but a certain side, but I just literally just put it in there. And you can see that the light comes on. Okay, so this is an active voltage, and they have power going to this socket. So this is what you're gonna want to test, and you're gonna go to your breaker box wherever that's located. Mine is located in my room. Yours might be located in the garage. You're just gonna have to go locate your specific breaker box. And you're gonna want to flip those switches off until this light does not come on whatsoever. for the outlet that you want to change. So that is what we're gonna go ahead and do next. So if you can see, it is a little bit dark, but it is actually bright outside, but today is supposed to be a rainy day. So it's kind of cloudy out. So I do got my little light on. I was gonna show you when I turned off my breaker box, but honestly it's kind of boring. I just turned off the lights. And yeah, so now we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna stick these prongs in there and wiggle this around and just make sure that the light is not coming on whatsoever. And as you can see, it is not. So we're gonna take these out, and now it is safe for me to actually start messing with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna take this flathead screwdriver, screw out first. We're gonna take the plate off. This is what it looks like in the inside. We're gonna take these two Phillips screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, off. And then we're gonna just pull this out a bit. All right, so it's kind of hard to see, but we're gonna do one side over here. You just want to take note, hold on. You want to take note on what side the wires are coming out of and what colors and what color the screw is. So on this side we have gold screws, and on our replacement we also have gold screws. So most of the time they're going to be on the same side, but you just want to make sure that yours is correct. So basically we're going to keep those wires on this side, and we're going to keep the other side wires on this side, so that when we place them in, we're able to attach the wires correctly. Okay, so now what we're going to do is unscrew. We got the plug out finally. So yeah, we are going to keep, so these are white on this side, and then the black goes on the other side. So this one had two on the top on this side, one on the bottom on this side, and then this one had one on the top and two on the bottom. So that's how I'm going to attach them back with the three prong here. So you're gonna wrap this exposed wire here around this screw, okay? And this is like horrible lighting, and I'm so sorry about that, guys. So after fighting with the screws, we are all good. I attached the two on this side on the bottom, one on the top, and then two on the top, one on the bottom, just like it was on the other one. And now we're just going to go ahead and place it all back. These come with screws already, so you won't have to buy no screws. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw them back in. For this video, guys, I hope that y'all liked this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. It was pretty simple changing out these outlets, and you can do it yourself. Don't have to worry about an electrician if you feel safe enough, of course. But yeah, that is it. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Bye.